Y.H.F, China's leading ESD vinyl flooring manufacturer, presence-free of carbon fibers ESD anti-static flooring, purpose-built for industries where electrostatic control and compatibility with specialized environments are essential. This advanced static conductive flooring solution is widely used across application-intensive sectors, including cleanrooms, aerospace facilities, military operations, wind tunnel laboratories, optical manufacturing environments, robotics and intelligent automation centers, pharmaceutical production lines, semiconductor and microelectronics plants, traditional factories undergoing digital transformation, battery manufacturing and assembly plants, data centers and server rooms, medical device production areas, laboratories handling flammable or explosive substances, and any location working with electrostatic sensitive components. As traditional manufacturing evolves into smart factories, our carbon-free ESD static conductive flooring 2100 series aligns with the technical and environmental requirements of next-generation production zones, supporting clean processing, precision assembly, and digitally integrated workflows. Wherever the application demands strict electrostatic control, Y.H.F's non-carbon ESD vinyl flooring sheets provide a dependable solution tailored to the realities of high-spec environments.